Hello everyone，可以了吗？Hello，可以了吗？Hello everyone, welcome to watch our live demonstration. This is Bella from Sunny Group. We are a leading manufacturer of solid waste equipment with more than 20 years experience. We are well known for its innovative technology and efficiency solutions for recycling industry. We are a leading we help business worldwide for recycle valuable materials from end-of-life materials such as the solar panel recycling machine, lithium battery recycling machine, and also the PCB recycling machine, and also all kinds of the metal and the non-metal recycling machine. Today we are going to test the running of the solar panel recycling plant for your checking. Two sets of solar panels. One line is double layer glass solar panels. This is for our Bulgaria clients. And another line is the single layer glass solar panel recycling machine. Before running, let's learn the motor first. This is the double layer glass solar panel set we prepared for today. Before running, let's brief to learn the motor first. For the double layer glass solar panels, which include the aluminum frame on the first side and the solar cell serviced by the two layers of the glass. One layer is on the top and another layer of the glass on the bottom. And on the solar panels is the junction box on the solar panels. Today we are running the one glass solar panels with aluminum frame, and if your aluminum frame without the aluminum frame, it also can be processing by our line. For this whole line, is the production capacity is 1 ton per hour. It can processing about 50 to 60 pieces per hour, and the total power is about 389 kilowatt. And okay, let's start to test running for checking. Okay, let's for this line, which is fully automatically processing, only 2 workers to take the motor to test the running. 开始了吧? So our workers will operate the PLC control system and to open the machines. So here you can see we will for test running the double layer glass solar panels. And for this whole line, it's only need 4 workers to test to operate. 2 workers to take the solar panels onto this belt conveyor. Okay. Wait a moment, our workers operate the PLC control system. It's need time to start the machines for the back because this whole line is about 58 meter long, so it's include many machines. The starting process take time. So now we waiting the machines to running. Then our workers can loading the motor into this process into this line for process. Okay, now our 2 workers take the solar panels onto this belt conveyor. And after conveying to this solar panels on the conveyor, it will convey the solar panels to this first machine is a double layer glass solar panels. It will first separate the solar panels into the about 10 centimeters. You can see this is the solar shell after pre-shading by the first double layer glass double shift shade machine.
我们说没声音，各位，我说没声音，我给你调大点声音。
The shading it will convene following this belt conveyor to this during the shading it will have the glass fall down from the solar panels. So we designed this nano vibration screen. It can collect about 5% of glass from the solar panels. After first double layer glass after the first shred machine, it will feed into the second double layer glass solar panels. So during the second double shift shredder, it will shred the solar panels into about 50 millimeter. During the shredding, it will also have another 5% of the glass will fall down from the solar panels. So during the after conveying from this belt conveyor, we also designed this another nano vibration screen. It will connect another 5% of the glass during the shredding. After that, we designed this is a hammer crusher. So we want to collect all the glass from the solar shell. So this hammer crusher with the hammer pieces is rotating by the high speed. So here all the glass will fall from the solar panels. After crushing, the solar shell will convene through this belt conveyor. Then fall down to this is second the nano vibration screen. So here we can collect all the glass from the solar panels. After crushing, we can get the glass powder from the solar panels. Okay, so here we can get all the glass, about 90% of the glass. After shredding, after getting the glass, it left the aluminum and the solar shell. So after that we want to collect the aluminum, so we designed the eddy current machine. And this is a PLC control system. Our customers can turn on and turn off the machine by this PLC control system. And so this is an eddy current machine. This machine is managed to separate the metal and non-metal. So here we can, when the solar shell with the aluminum pass by this machine, the aluminum will repel to a far distance, and the solar cell will fall down to this conveyor. And so here we can collect the aluminum from this outplate. So here you can see this is aluminum that collected from this eddy current machine. And for the solar after getting the aluminum, the solar cell will further convene. Hold on. After collect the aluminum, it only left the solar shell. For the solar shell, it will convene this belt conveyor. Then to this is a crusher. For this crusher, it will further crushing the solar shell into the small pieces. After crushing, the size of the solar shell is about 1 centimeter. after crashing, it will along this belt conveyor. You can see for all of our belt conveyor is covered with the cover on the top and the bottom. It will prevent the dust leaking out during the conveyor and prevent the motor leaking out. After crashing, the motor will flow into this conveyor and fall down to the grind machine. This is the grind machine. It's rotating at the high speed. You can see this is a solar cell that already crashing into the smaller pieces. After the timer. So because this whole line is with a total about 389 kilowatts, so the power is big. So we need to separate the start of the machine. So now our workers will start the running of the behind the equipment. Hold on, please. 把那个后面的开一下吧，后面的墨粉的那块儿。So after the solar panels crashing into the smaller pieces, later our workers will open the behind the equipment for further grinding and separate the mantle from the solar cell. Let's wait a moment, and we can look in the following process. 看一下后面的。
前面停了后面的。
啊？
把前面停了后面的。
可以啊。可以吧？
然后必须把前面停了。
那停了吧？
前面停了吧？
对。Now we can wait a moment. We will start the behind the equipment. For this whole line, we designed with the straight line, and the length for this whole line is 58 millimeter. Sorry, the whole line for this the length for this whole line is 58 meter long, and the width of this whole line is about 8 meter wide, and the height of this whole line is about 6 meter high. If your workshop is with the limited space, we can design the whole line according to the workshop size. You can send your workshop drawing to us. Our engineer team will design the machines design according to your workshop size. Now our workers will turn off the front equipment and start running for the flying equipment for test running. Hold on, please. 开一下后段的吧。Here you can see this is a PLC system. For our PLC system can support the English and the Chinese, so you can operate the PLC control system by the English language. And for this line, we designed the motors with Siemens motor, and for the PLC system, we also equipped with the Siemens brand. So it's with very high quality for this machine and the PLC. 啊？啊？铝框的。那
是先开后边，先开那铝框的。
先开后边的吧。So after our workers will open the following behind equipment, and it will start running from the grind machine. For this grind machine, we designed the layer, the double with the double layer of the pipe. So during the processing, we can injection water into this system. So because the grind machine is rotating at a very high speed, so it will the temperature of the the gear is will raising up. So we designed with double layer pipe. So during the processing, we can use this is a cooling system. So here you can see this is a cooling system. So we can injection the water during the processing. It will cooling down the water. It can use the water to cooling down the beer during the processing. And in this way, it will prolong the beer's service life during the processing. After processing, for this grind machine, it's rotating at a very high speed, about 6,800 RPM per minute. So it will grind the solar cell into the powder shape. After grinding, it will flow to this pipe, then fall down this. This is around the 3-layer round vibration screen. Here we designed the 3-layer. The upper layer is with it can separate the big layer, big size of the plastic. So here we can get the big size of the plastic from this upper layer. And in the middle layer is the master. This is the plastic, big size of the plastic from the upper layer around the vibration screen. And in the middle layer, it's the big. Hold on, please. In the second layer is the bigger layer of the master, the metal powder and the plastic powder. It will return to the grind machine for regrinding. And for the lowest layer, which is size will meet the size requirement, it will go to the master machine of the air separator machine. So now our workers are open the machine. After starting, the motor will belong to this conveyor, then fall down this tractor and will fall into this grind machine. The grind machine will rotate at a very high speed. And our workers can adjust the vibration speed according to the bottom. According to the control system. So here the grinding machine will grind the solar cell into the powder shape. Then from this pipe to this round vibration screen, the lowest size of the solar cell that meet the size requirement, it will pull on this screw conveyor. Then fall down this air separator machine. So this we also call the gravity separator. It will separate the metal and non-metal because the metal is heavier, so it will move upward from the outlet. So in the front place of the air separator, we can get the metal powder. And because the slick powder and also the plastic powder is lighter, so it will blow upward and fall down, then come out from the backside. And this is the metal powder that after processing, the purity of the metal powder is above 95%. So you can resell the metal powder to the metal factory directly. After get the metal powder, the plastic powder will fall down to this hopper. This is electricity separator machine, because the air separator machine will separate about 95% of the metal powder. There another 5% of the metal powder will mix together with the plastic powder. So we designed this electrostatic separator. It will further separate the metal from the plastic powder. The plastic powder will from the pipe and cyclone device and even fall into the electricity separator. So this electric separator, it will separate this is the plastic powder. The plastic powder will flow this conveyor. Will flow this conveyor, and we can place 10 bags. So our workers only need to collect the plastic powder from this 10 bags. And for this outfit, this is metal powder. And you can see for our whole system, we designed the post dust that place with this designed with the post dust collector. It can capture the dust during the process and keep the warehouse clean.
咱镜头啊，我拿到咱这秒令，你多看咱镜头。
So this is the whole line of the double layer glass solar panels processing. Just now we test running the double layer glass solar panels with the frame. So later we can test the machine for test running the double layer glass solar panels with frame for your checking. Now, flowing our camera will test running for your checking. 那铝边框的上一下吧，那个铝边框的上一下吧。So later we will test running for the double layer glass solar panels with frame for your shipping. Now we will turn on the front part of equipment for test running for your shipping. Another advantage of our machine, for all of our belt conveyor, we designed with the cover on the top and the bottom. It will prevent the dust leaking out, and also prevent the dust, also prevent the material will leaking when processing. And okay, let's follow me, and we will test the running of the machine for test the double layer glass solar panels with the frame for your checking. So if your solar panels, 开始吧。Hold on, please. If your double layer glass solar panel with frame and without a frame, we can process it together. This kind of the double layer glass solar panels with the big size of the frame. That one is with the smaller frame. 这个没有边框是吧？对，这。This one is not with the frame. It's only the glass and the solar cell. And this kind of the double layer glass solar panels with the full frame on the full side. So we will test running for your checking. Okay. So you can stock the material near this line, and only need the 2 workers to put the solar panels into this line. For our line, it can process the solar panels with the width from 800 to 1300 millimeter. The length can be processing with 1000 millimeter to 2000 and 400 millimeter. It will first shredding. The whole pieces of solar panels with the frame will first shredding by the first double shaft shredder. After shredding, the solar shell size is around 100 millimeter size. You can see during the shredding, there will be some glass will fall from the solar panels. So we can design the laminar rubber screen. It will collect the 5% of glass during the first double shaft shredder. So here you can see the glass will fall down at the bottom of the screen. Here we can collect the dust from the first double shaft shredder. This is a glass powder. The size for the glass powder is around 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter size. And after first double shaft shredder, the solar panels will shed by this second double shaft shredder machine. And this second double layer glass solar panels will further shedding the solar shell into the smaller pieces. After shredding, the size is around 50 millimeter. So also during the shredding, there will be glass will fall down from the soft shell. So you can see we designed another laminar rubber screen, and also during the first shredder and the second shredder, we designed this post dust collector. It can capture the dust during the processing and keep the warehouse clean. And so after second shredder, we can collect another 5% of the glass at the bottom of the laminar rubber strip. So here we can collect about 5% of the glass. So after collect 10% glass, we want to get all the glass. So we designed the hammer crusher. The hammer crusher is with the hammer pieces. It will hitting all the glass off from the solar shell. So after this place, we can get all the glass powder. The size of the glass is around below 1 millimeter. So for this line, we can get the glass is in the powder size. After we collect the glass, we want to get the aluminum frame. So we designed the eddy current machine. The eddy current machine is mainly separate the metal and non-metal. So when the material pass the eddy current machine, the aluminum frame will repel and to a far distance and will come out from this outlet. So here we can get the aluminum frame. The size for the aluminum frame is about 4 centimeters. The purity of the aluminum frame around more than 95%. So the solar cell will form the pipe from this conveyor and will go to the same process, go to the crusher. It will for the crushing and the grinding, then separated, get the main powder and the plastic powder. Okay, this is processing for the double layer glass solar panels. And if you have any questions, you can let us know, and our sales team will reply your questions in time. 那这个试完了，这个试完了，后边还不试吧？那个一样的。And later we will test the running for the single layer glass solar panels. For our workshop is around 4,000 square meters. Until now, we have served more than 2,000 happy customers to more than 100 countries. So for the solar panel recycling plant, we have sold to more than 60 sites to different countries in both European and American countries. In USA, we have sold more than 10 sites solar panels in USA. And in European countries, we have cooperated with the clients in Italy, Spain, Romania, and also the Greece, and also like the Poland. And later we will test the running for the single layer glass solar panels for your checking. For this line, which is purchased by our Taiwan client. This client purchased with the robot feeding system trailer, so it can processing automatically. You can see this is the robot feeding system that our customers purchased together. And before start, let's learn the material first. The differences of the single layer glass solar panels is the single layer glass solar panels with the backsheet, so it's more flexible. So we can use the junction box and aluminum frame machine to remove them. And so because it's whole line with the robot feeding system, so only need one worker to drive the forklift to put on the solar panels on this one and two lifting system. So this is the robot feeding system. The robot feeding system will grab the solar panels from this two lifting system to on the belt conveyor automatically. OK， 可以开始了吧？2分钟 ，OK。Wait a moment, because this line we designed with the heating method for the glass machine. It needs about 5 minutes preheating the heating system. Now it's left 2 minutes. So let's first introduce the machine first. And so you can, this whole line is fully automatically processing. When after our workers to put on the solar panels on the two lifting system, the robot feeding system will grab the solar panels on this two feeding system. Now you can see our workers can operate the computer system. The robot will grab the solar panels on this two lifting system on this belt conveyor. Then the solar panels will flow in this belt conveyor. This is the positioning conveyor. It will position the solar panels in the center place. After that, I will pass. This is a 3D virtual inspection system. This is a 3D inspection system. It can capture the length. It will capture the length and the length of the solar panels, and also recognize the junction. There is a junction box. It will can recognize the junction box location and the size and also the junction box quantity. So it will record the data into our computer system, and so the following equipment can process it automatically. This is a junction box. It will remove the junction box automatically through adjusting the direction of the junction box to remove the horizontal and also the vertical junction box. And if your junction box with one junction box and two junction box, and it can remove automatically. This is the junction box after removed. After remove junction box, it will flow the belt conveyor and to the next machine. This is a aluminum frame remove machine, and this aluminum frame machine we designed with the clone draw device. This clone draw device will adjust the distance according to the solar panel's length and width, and remove the junction box automatically. And the aluminum frame after remove will fall down directly. Then it will remove the another side of the aluminum frame. After remove the aluminum frame, the solar cell will convene to the next machine. This is a glass remove machine. This is, and will convene to the glass remove machine. This is this machine is use the heating method to soften the EVA encapsulant. The length of the heating oven is about 6 meters. So the solar panels will heating under 60 to 70 degrees around 2 to 3 minutes. The purpose for this heating oven is just soften the EVA encapsulant. Then it's more easily to spin the glass off. After heating, the solar panel will come out and go to the another machine. This is the glass stripping machine. The solar panels will heating around 2 to 3 minutes. So after heating, it will come out. And for this heating system, because it's heating by the low temperature, so it won't produce any carbon gas during the processing, and the function is just soften the EVA encapsulant and then easily to remove the glass off. And this is the solar cell after heated will go into the glass remove machine. The glass remove machine is use the right to left move of glass, and it will spin the glass off. After the glass fall off from the solar panels, it will fall down to this belt conveyor, then go to this cylinder nano-rubber screen if you will further separate the glass according to the different sizes. The differences for the glass framing machine is for the glass granule is the bigger size. The size is about more than 3 millimeters to 5 millimeters. And the purity for the glass powder is about 95%. And because it's senior liner rubber screw, so we can get about 50% is the glass is the powder size. The size is below 3 millimeter size. After removing the glass, the solar cell will cut into the strip. So the glass removed rate can be reached to 95%. So you can see the solar cell, the glass already removed. After remove the glass, the solar cell will cut into the strip again along this conveyor. Therefore, down this is a single layer glass solar panel. This single layer glass solar panel then with carriers manipulated and tear the solar panels into the smaller pieces. And at the bottom, the single layer glass solar panels, there is a screen, so it will control the output material size. After shredding, the material size is around 1 centimeter. It will along this belt conveyor. For this conveyor, we also did with the cover on top and the bottom. After shredding, it will go to along the belt conveyor, then fall down to this grinder machine. So this grinder machine also same function with the double layer glass solar panel. It will grinding the solar cell into the powder sheet. After grinding, the solar cell will along in this pipe, and then fall down to this round rubber screen. This is round rubber screen also with the thin layer. So in the upper layer, we can get the bigger size of the plastic. Here, we can get the bigger size of the plastic. And the size that meet the standard, will convene this screen sieve and fall down this air separator machine. For this air separator machine, the purpose is mainly to separate the metal powder and the plastic powder. So here we can get the metal powder. The purity of the metal powder can be reached to 95%. You can resell the metal powder to your local metal factory directly. The plastic powder will come out from the backsheet of the air separator machine. This is a plastic powder. It will belong in this screen and fall down. This is another 3 layer of the from the rubber screen. Because why you may ask why we don't use electric separator, because according to our data, there are very few metal powder mixed together with the metal plastic powder. So we designed the run the various screen. It will further separate the plastic powder. In the upper layer, we can get the plastic powder. In the middle layer, which is mixed the plastic powder and the silicon powder. So we can connect the tin bag with the outlet and collect the plastic powder and the metal powder directly. Here is the metal powder and the plastic powder. At the bottom, this is the purity of the silicon powder that we processed. This is the silicon powder. The purity of the silicon powder is around 55%. For the silver power, it will mix together with the silicon powder. So you can resell the silicon powder to the refining system. They can further extract the silver from this silicon powder. And this is the master powder of the plastic powder and the silicon powder. Okay, this is the whole line of the single layer glass panels test running. If you have any questions, please leave your comments here. Our sales team will reply your questions anytime. The difference is for the single layer glass solar panels is we can get the whole pieces aluminum frame and the glass size is bigger than the double layer glass solar panels. The glass size is about 65% as more than 3 millimeters and about 40% of the glass size in the powder chip. Okay. So this is running, and for the advantage for this line is we also equip the motor with the cement motor. So you can if you can replace the motor in your local very conveniently. And for this line, we have 1 year's guarantee. And if you have any questions, you can let us know. Okay, that's it. So this is for test running today, and if you have questions, you can let us know. And our company is mainly provide all kinds of recycling equipment. For the solar panels, due to the service life is only up to 25 to 30 years. So the scrap quantity of the solar panels is keep rising. So more and more clients join in this industry. If you have any interest and for the solar panels recycling machine, and also have the need for other recycling equipment, please leave your comments here and welcome to watch our website. Then leave your message to us. Our sales team will reply your questions in time. And this is our running today. Thank you for your watching and looking forward to hear your news. Bye. Yeah.